Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to French Academy. In this video, we're going to learn 5 ways of asking questions in French. Let's start and don't forget to leave a comment below. The first way is nothing but a change of your tone of voice. When you add question mark at the end of your sentence becomes a question. Let's have an example. Il est espagnol. Il est espagnol. Il est espagnol. He is Spanish. What should we do for a question form? First, we add a question mark at the end of our sentence, and then we change the tone of our voice in a question form. Il est espagnol. Il est espagnol. Is he Spanish? Another example. Vous êtes malade. Vous êtes malade. You're sick. Vous êtes malade? Vous êtes malade? Are you sick? The second question form is using n'est-ce pas? N'est-ce pas? N'est-ce pas? We use n'est-ce pas at the end of our question. It's used when we're almost sure that the answer is yes. In English, it's like, aren't you? Isn't she? Isn't it? All of them are used at the end of our questions. Let's have some examples. Tu es fatigué, n'est-ce pas? Tu es fatigué, n'est-ce pas? You're tired, aren't you? Il est fatigué, n'est-ce pas? Il est fatigué, n'est-ce pas? He's tired, isn't he? Elle est jeune, n'est-ce pas? Elle est jeune, n'est-ce pas? She's young, isn't she? C'est possible, n'est-ce pas? C'est possible, n'est-ce pas? It's possible, isn't it? Third way is asking questions by est-ce que. Est-ce que. We use est-ce que at the beginning of the questions. Est-ce que is a very common way to form yes or no questions in both spoken and written French. Take a look at this example. Tu es prêt? Tu es prêt? You're ready. We want to make the question form. Est-ce que tu es prêt? Est-ce que tu es prêt? Are you ready? The answer would be yes or no. If the answer is yes, the structure is like this. Oui, je suis prêt. Oui, je suis prêt. And if the answer is no, the structure is like this. Non, je ne suis pas prêt. Non, je ne suis pas prêt. If you want to be more professional like other French speakers, you can say non, je suis pas prêt. Non, je suis pas prêt. Another example. Je suis intelligent. Je suis intelligent. I'm smart. Question form. Est-ce que je suis intelligent? Est-ce que je suis intelligent? Am I smart? Oui, vous êtes intelligent. Yes, you're smart. Non, vous n'êtes pas intelligent. No, you're not smart. Fourth way is inversion. Inversion is used in formal situations. You may also see this structure in the books, writings, or something like that. In this way, we just invert the verb and its subject. Example. Vous parlez français. Vous parlez français. Vous is subject and parler is verb. we have to change the place of them. Parlez-vous français? Parlez-vous français? Do you speak French? Tu es arménien. Tu es arménien. You're Armenian. Es-tu arménien? Es-tu arménien? Are you Armenian? And the last way is using colloquial language. We can use it for tu es and tu as. Tu as means you have, and tu es means you are. We just remove the U from tu and put an apostrophe instead of that. Example: T'es fatigué? Are you tired? T'es sérieuse? Are you serious? Let's answer the questions. T'es fatigué? Oui, je suis fatiguée. T'es sérieuse? Oui, je suis sérieuse. T'es fatigué? Non, je ne suis pas fatiguée. T'es sérieuse? Non, je ne suis pas sérieuse. T'as faim? Oui, j'ai faim. T'as dormi? Oui, j'ai dormi. T'as faim? Non, je n'ai pas faim. T'as dormi? Non, je n'ai pas dormi. Thanks for watching the video until the end. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel.